If your Chevy Traverse hesitates or refuses to start right away, you are not alone. Statistics show that over 70% of these starting delays are linked to simple electrical issues. Let us break down the diagnosis process to get you back on the road. Always start by checking your battery terminals for corrosion and ensuring all ground straps are secure. A weak battery or a wearing starter solenoid are the two most common mechanical culprits. If the battery is solid, investigate the crankshaft sensor or the fuel pump relay for intermittent failures. Clean your terminals and check your fuses before heading to the shop for major component replacements. Most simple fixes cost under $50, while major components like a starter can exceed $400. Use a multimeter to verify voltage levels while cranking to pinpoint if the power is actually reaching the starter. Keep a basic multimeter and a wire brush in your kit to handle these diagnostic steps yourself. Remember that electrical gremlins are persistent, so always verify your grounds before spending money on expensive parts. If you still have issues, it is time to have a professional check your alternator output. Thanks for watching.